regal robes of the fathers were to be satin and not a cotton and not chintz. I'd command each thing, be it fish or fowl, with a whoosh and a whoosh and a royal growl. As I'd click my heel, all the trees would kneel, and the mountains bow, and the bulls kowtow. The sparrow would take wing. Fly, fly, well, king. Each rabbit would show respect to me. The chipmunks genuflect to me. My tail would lash, I would show compassion for every underling. Fly, fly, well, king. Just here. Nice Not even a rhinoceros? Impossible.
How about a hippopotamus?
Why, I'd thrash him from top to bottomless.
Supposing you met an elephant?
I'd wrap him up in cellophane.
What if it were a brontosaurus?
I'd show him who was king of the forest.
How?
How? Courage. What makes a king out of a slave? Courage. What makes the flag on the mast to wave? Courage. What makes the elephant charge his tusk in the misty mist or the dusky dusk? What makes the muskrat guard his musk? Courage. What makes the sphinx the seventh wonder? Courage. What makes the dawn come up like thunder? Courage. What makes the Hottentot? What puts the apricot? What have they got that I ain't got?
Courage!
You could say that again.
The wizard says go away!
Looks like we came a long way for nothing.
And I was so happy. I thought I was on my way home.
Don't cry, Dorothy. I'm going to get you to the wizard.
We certainly are.
Elliot was so good to me. And I never appreciated it. Running away and hurting her feelings. Professor Marlowe said she was sick. She may be dying. And it's all my fault. I'll never forgive myself. Never, never, never.
Please don't cry anymore. I'll get you into the wizard somehow. I had a hand in myself once.
Wait a minute, fellas. I was just thinking. I really don't want to see the wizard it this much. I better wait for you outside.
What's the matter? Oh, he's just as scared again.
Don't you know that this is going to give you some courage?
I'd be too scared to ask him for it.
Well, then we'll ask him for you.
I'd sort of wait outside.
Why?
Because I'm still scared. Somebody pulled my tail.
You did it yourself. Come on.
Forward! Tell me when it's over.
Give a great load.
Look at that. Look at that. I want to go home.
I am Oz, the great and powerful. Who are you? Who are you?
No, you're all right. I bumped you. You're fine.
Please, I am Dorothy. Small and meek. We've come to ask... Oh, Jim Cricket.
The great and powerful Oz knows why you have come. Step forward, Tin Man. You dare to come to me for a heart, do you? You clinking, clanking, clattering collection of colliginous junk? Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. You see, a while back, we were walking down the yellow brick road, and... And you, scarecrow, have the effrontery to ask for a brain, you billowing bale of bovine fodder! Yes, Your Honor. Your Excellency. Your wizardry. Enough!
Yeah!
And you, lion!
Push him! Yes,
Well...
You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Frightening him like that when he came to you for help.
Silence, whippersnapper! The beneficent Oz has every intention of granting your requests.
What'd he say? Huh? What'd he say?
But first, you must prove yourselves worthy by performing a very small task. Bring me the broomstick of the Witch of the West.
But if we do that, we'd have to kill her to get it.
Bring me her broomstick, and I'll grant your requests. Now go.
But what if she kills us first?
I said go!
There goes somebody's over. Hey, John!
I'd turn back if I were you.